What's really going on? Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, currently XLM, price action below a key level here, currently interacting with what appears to be 25 cents as resistance. Key level 0.2597 is going to be resistance overhead at the moment. If daily candles are opening and closing with their wicks and bodies below this key level, we can perhaps confirm it as resistance and anticipate further support found down below, which may be waiting for us all the way down at 21 cents. It would appear there is a key level of support there waiting for us, in addition to the 0.236 Fibonacci line at 20 cents, suggesting further technical significance down at that level. So I do anticipate support to be found and buy pressure to come into play down below there for us near that 21 cent level if resistance is confirmed overhead. If support is confirmed at 25 cents there and price action starts to experience that buy pressure, my immediate short-term target for this coin is going to be up there at 40 cents. That is going to be my immediate short-term target for the strongest area of resistance that we will likely make our way toward once support has been found here. And 25 cents here has been a bullish area of accumulation multiple times, pretty much ever since the end of July, and then again throughout the end of September. At the moment, we're looking for a potential third bullish area of accumulation near this key level. We just need support to be confirmed, in my opinion, and some buy signals to return as well to become more comfortably bullish on continued upside from current levels. So at the moment, we're under the influence of sell suggestions. Technically, EngineeringRobo has been bearish on XLM ever since the 34-cent level, and since those sell suggestions, prices have experienced up to 34% in downside, still currently more than 25% down at current levels since those sell suggestions, as we await the most bullish area of comfortable accumulation supported by buy signals, in addition to confirmations of support down below. So currently looking for solidification of these key levels. Look out for what happens with 25 cents. If resistance is found, watch out for 21 cents. If support is confirmed, we're making our way back to 40 cents. Let me know your thoughts on XLM down below though. Now, coin symbol MANA, Project D, Central Land, price action interacting with resistance overhead in a very bullish uptrend. It would appear price action experiencing tremendous gains and upside ever since suggested bullish area of accumulation when two of our chosen three robo advisors became bullish on upside around the 84-cent level throughout the sort of second week of October here. After accumulation, prices experienced up to 601% in upside over the following 41 days. An easy 7x return on your investment if you utilize EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions. But if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, technically our robo advisors have become bearish on MANA currently around the $3.45 level, suggesting you close your position, capitalizing on a 310% ROI if you utilized EngineeringRobo's current sell suggestions as we await the most bullish area of comfortable accumulation. EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher areas of accumulation and take profit. And so once two of your chosen three robo advisors become bullish or bearish, you can better use that to determine your entries or exits. And so at the moment, we are under the influence of sell suggestions, so we are anticipating further confirmations of support to be found and a more bullish area of accumulation to present itself here. So I am bullish on continued upside here, suggested by an uptrend in play with prices above this 200 daily moving average. A return down to an interaction with it as support would not be impossible and would be very healthy for the longer term uptrend, in my opinion. Currently, resistance is overhead. $3.64 is going to be a key area of sell pressure and resistance, giving us a hard time currently. Price action needs to break above this key level, come down and confirm it as support with daily candles opening and closing above it to become more bullish on continued upside from that current level, and in which case the next area of resistance waiting for us is in the $5 range at $5.14. However, at the moment, resistance overhead could suggest further interaction downward here towards stronger support, which could be waiting for us at the $2.33 level, in addition to the $1.49 level at the moment, correlating with the 200 daily moving average, suggesting further technical significance at that level at the moment. However, the strongest area of support, if you were to experience any continued downside, the strongest area of buy pressure waiting for us is all the way back down at $1.01. In my opinion, these are going to be the key levels I am looking out for in any sort of continued downside here that we do anticipate based on these sell suggestions present at the moment. Let me know your thoughts on this coin down below though. Now, Coin symbol TRU against Tether, TrueFi coin. Price action experiencing some tremendous upside here over the last couple days. Prices coming from 26 cents around the 17th of December. Since that swing low, prices have interacted with the 55-cent level, increasing up to 109% over the following sort of day here. Now currently sitting up more than 51% from that swing low just a few days ago. Some very bullish upside in a very short amount of time. Bullish enough to trigger some buy signals to come into play. This buy for and moon has returned. Two of our chosen 3 robo advisors are bullish with this upswing here, suggesting continued upside may be upon us. However, technically, in my opinion, this is a very significant move upward here in a very short amount of time that was likely to be met with a rather aggressive pullback or retracement towards support before the uptrend can continue here. Currently interacting with a very sort of key set of parameters. We do have resistance overhead. The strongest area of sell pressure waiting for us is 50 cents. In my opinion, that is going to be the strongest area of resistance waiting to give us a hard time. Near current levels, we have 43 cents at the moment as an area of sell pressure as well, currently suggesting technical resistance at current levels. At the moment, the 200 daily moving average is currently interacting with price action, so solidification of this moving average as support or resistance would also be beneficial to determining the sort of a longer term trend in play. At the moment, I do believe further confirmations need to be met to be comfortably accumulating at the moment here. I do believe this is a very strong move upward that is likely to be met with a retracement. So accumulate near stronger support. In my opinion, buy pressure and support is found all the way down at 31 cents. That is going to be the strongest area of buy pressure here waiting for us. At the moment, we're a little too close to resistance, and further confirmations need to be met for me to be comfortably accumulating currently. Let me know your thoughts on this coin down below, though. If you're accumulating or selling here, what are you doing with your bags if you have them? Now, Ethereum still holding strong price action under the influence of very significant sell pressure. Technically, traders are taking profits here. However, fundamentally, investors are accumulating still, in my opinion. Tremendous fundamental buy pressure is very much present here for Ethereum, suggested by these wicks down below. Currently looking for support again at the $3,923 level. We need daily candles opening and closing above this to reconfirm it as support and a bullish area of accumulation with anticipated upside here. At the moment, it is awaiting further confirmations. Very strong support has been present here for us ever since these last sort of few days. So I just need further technical parameters to be met at the moment to be comfortably accumulating. I am still very much bullish on the continued upside. I do believe we are very much in an uptrend, and price action definitely wants to continue its way upward here. However, technically, we just may not be ready yet. I am still very much anticipating what appears to be a $7,818 Ethereum before any sort of long-term downside is to be expected here. I am still very much anticipating interactions with these upper levels before any sort of fundamental sell pressure is to come into play. At the moment, Ethereum is though looking very bullish in my opinion. Let me know your thoughts on price action though. We're going to swap over to Bitcoin. We're looking at price action currently below the 200 daily moving average, currently below the key level $48,577 is currently above price action, awaiting to give us a hard time as resistance. We're looking for further technical support down below. Prices below the 200 daily moving average could suggest further technical short-term downside here, pushing prices toward an interaction with the 0.618 Fibonacci level at $44,086 per Bitcoin, in addition to this key level here near $43,000 per Bitcoin. So very strong technical support down below here for us. Still, I do anticipate a very strong bounce off of this sort of lower range. In my opinion, I am still bullish on continued upside. It's going to take some stronger parameters to be met for me to consider some prolonged downside to be occurring. At the moment, I still personally anticipate, if we consider the fear and greed index in play here, I personally very much anticipate Bitcoin interacting with what appears to be the $149,000 level before any sort of long-term fundamental downside is to come into play. I am very bullish on continued gains until further parameters suggest otherwise. We are awaiting buy signals to return and support to be confirmed before we can comfortably accumulate with anticipated upside. In my opinion, I believe there is never a bad time to buy Bitcoin, only better times, and accumulating Bitcoin in the 60K range was very bullish, in addition to the 50K range is very bullish, and in my opinion, this is a far more bullish area to accumulate within the 40K range, and I still anticipate, like I said, a six-figure Bitcoin throughout next year before we can anticipate some real downside forming here. Always await for the technical confirmations. Look out for buy signals to return. Let me know your thoughts on cryptocurrency currently. Are you bullish or bearish here? What are you doing with your bags if you have them? welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Let me know a coin you'd like to see in the next video down in the comment section below, and tune in for the next one.